Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 92. Today we share a site and app for group activities called Playmeo. As we return to a new year, think a bit about your own classroom. Does it look like this? Is it low energy? Do you feel like calling out to a kid named Bueller? Are you looking for some ideas to liven things up in your class? Do you want tangible ideas for fun activities to do with your kids tomorrow that will accomplish something, like help with reflection, develop creativity, break the ice, or develop teams or trust? Well, I like fun and games. I'm a huge gamer actually, but at work, it needs to be serious fun. Fun with a purpose. Fun that accomplishes academic or professional goals, and that's the difference. Playmeo is a platform of resources that will teach you how to lead remarkably fun programs that help people connect, share, and interact. Playmeo has developed the world's largest online database of group games and activities and offers a variety of professional development resources to help people like you create remarkably fun programs that make a difference. They even have a free ebook that features 10 of the simplest, most successful group games and activities on their website for you to get a quick idea of what they offer. There's no login or account required. Link will be in the description, and it's just free. Playmeo has to pay the bills, so they do actually charge for a lot of their content, and even offer a subscription service. But a lot of it is also 100% free with no signups or strings attached. They even have a free mobile app. To get started, head on over to playmeo.com. You'll see an option to search immediately, and you can even specify what type of profession you are and what you're kind of looking for in terms of activities. Hit search activities and it will go ahead and give you a basic search. You can then go in there and do keyword searches, select program outcomes that you want to accomplish. You can also set how much time frame you've got. All these things are filters. Now, initially you're going to see a lot of activities here that are premium. They say you need to sign up. If you don't intend to do this and you just want to try this out for free, the easiest thing to do is go down here to this filter and just choose free. You're going to then see only activities with the free sticker on them. Select an activity that looks interesting to you, and you'll see all of the details of that activity right there. These are all filterable things. So you can see that this is a small group activity for 8 to 15 people, 20 to 30 minutes active time, and these are the things that the characteristics that it has. There's also a PDF icon that allows you to just click it and download that PDF immediately. The PDF activity contains all the instructions you need and can be printed out and you're good to go. Or you can go down and click on the little accordion menus and see what kind of resources you need, the step-by-step instructions, framing ideas, reflection strategies, all this stuff. And this is for every one of their activities. And again, this is free. If you go from the main page and scroll on down, you can actually browse this way as well. And if you click on any of these, they are automatically filtered for the free content. So this may be the easiest for a lot of folks to do. You can also browse by outcome or by theme. If you're interested in professional development, just click on the little menu at the top and choose training, and you can sign up or contact them for training workshops, one-to-one collaboration, even a keynote speaker. Again though, this is a very soft sell website. They don't force you to log in. They don't force you to create accounts. You can pay them if you like. They've got plenty of stuff that's free without having to, do microtransactions or do anything like that. I'm really impressed with this site. I'm impressed with some of the activities that they have on here, and it's just tangible and it's ready to go today. If you'd like to check out the mobile app, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the mobile app there, and you can kind of see what it offers. What's really cool about the mobile app is that it only contains the free stuff, and it has videos and instructions and all that within the mobile app. So this makes it really easy then, as you're about to deliver some training or you're going to teach a class to your kids, to just be able to pull something up and say, I need something that's kind of a bell warmer, or I need something that's kind of an icebreaker for these kids because it's the first week of class and they don't even know each other, and we need to have a good team dynamic. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button? Click the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.